Event Report, Scott Wu on Jagged Intelligence and Human AI Collaboration. Date, June 14, 2025. Location, Virtual Discussion on Social Media Platform. Participants, Scott Wu, Charlie Greenman and Online Audience. Introduction. On June 14, 2025, a thought-provoking discussion unfolded on social media where Scott Wu articulated his perspectives on Andrei Karpathy's concept of jagged intelligence. This event highlighted the nuances of human and artificial intelligence AI collaboration, emphasizing the strengths and weaknesses inherent in both entities. The dialogue resonated with many in the tech community, particularly those involved in software engineering and creative sectors. What is jagged intelligence? Scott Wu described jagged intelligence as the characteristic of AI that allows it to excel in specific tasks while simultaneously revealing significant weaknesses in others. He stated that AI is superhuman at some tasks, shockingly weak at others, underscoring the uneven capabilities of AI systems. For example, while AI has demonstrated superhuman performance in data processing, pattern recognition, and complex strategic games, it often falters in tasks requiring emotional intelligence, creativity, and nuanced understanding. The complementarity of human and AI skills. Wu's assertion that as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own, encapsulates the essence of human AI collaboration. He emphasized the importance of recognizing and leveraging human strengths in areas where AI lacks proficiency. This interplay is particularly evident in fields such as software engineering, where human oversight and creativity are vital for instructing AI effectively on various tasks. Human advantages in competition. In a parallel discussion, Charlie Greenman contributed his insights, stating that one person can compete with building against a team of 50 people. This perspective aligns with Wu's comments on jagged intelligence, reinforcing the idea that individual human capabilities can outmaneuver larger teams, especially when those capabilities are unique or singular in nature. Greenman highlighted that competitive advantages can diminish when multiple applications or tasks are involved, but there remains a niche where individual skills shine. The importance of collaboration. Both Wu and Greenman's contributions highlight a common theme: understanding and harnessing unique human advantages is critical in the context of human-AI collaboration. While AI can dominate in specific domains, the human ability to innovate, adapt, and communicate remains a vital asset, ensuring that humans retain relevance in an increasingly automated workforce. Such collaboration can lead to superior outcomes, particularly in creative and strategic endeavors where human insight is irreplaceable. Summary of key points. 1. Jagged intelligence acknowledges the uneven capabilities of AI, where it excels in some areas but struggles in others. 2. Human-AI collaboration emphasizes the significance of human strengths in areas where AI falls short, leading to better outcomes through cooperation. 3. Competitive advantage highlights that individual human capabilities can sometimes outperform larger teams when focusing on unique skills. Integration of insights. The discussion brought forth a collective understanding of the evolving relationship between humans and AI. While AI technology continues to advance rapidly, it is clear that the unique attributes of humans, creativity, emotional insight, and complex decision-making, are irreplaceable. This collaboration holds the potential to propel innovation across various sectors, particularly in software engineering, the arts, and strategic planning. Conclusion. The conversation surrounding jagged intelligence and human-AI collaboration is both timely and vital. As technology advances, understanding these dynamics will be crucial for harnessing the full potential of human and AI partnerships. The insights from Scott Wu and Charlie Greenman serve as a reminder that while AI can augment our capabilities, the distinctive qualities of human intelligence remain indispensable. The dialogue reflects a broader trend in the AI community, emphasizing the importance of collaboration over competition and paving the way for a future where both humans and AI coexist harmoniously, leveraging their respective strengths for mutual benefit. Scott Wu's discourse on Andrei Karpathy's concept of jagged intelligence reveals several counterintuitive insights regarding the collaboration between humans and artificial intelligence (AI). This term describes the uneven proficiency of AI across various domains, suggesting nuances in how we perceive the capabilities of both entities. Counterintuitive insights. 1. AI's superhuman abilities versus human limitations. At first glance, one might assume that AI's superhuman abilities in specific tasks would render human skills obsolete. However, the reality is that AI's strengths often highlight its weaknesses in other areas. For example, while AI can process vast amounts of data and recognize patterns with remarkable speed and accuracy, it fails in areas requiring empathy, creativity, or complex interpersonal communication. This unexpected limitation of AI reinforces the value of human attributes, suggesting that rather than being overshadowed by AI, humans maintain a critical role where AI falters. 2. The tail of human capability. Wu's assertion that as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own, presents a counterintuitive idea. The very existence of AI's limitations serves to preserve and even enhance human relevance. The notion that humans will continue to own their unique capabilities implies that the competition between humans and AI is not a zero-sum game. Instead, the ongoing existence of these limitations creates opportunities for collaboration. This perspective challenges the traditional view that technological advancement equates to a decline in human roles. Rather, it suggests a potential for a symbiotic relationship where both can thrive. 3. Competition dynamics. The commentary shared by Charlie Greenman introduces another layer of counterintuitive information regarding competition in the context of human and AI interaction. While it might be expected that teams with more resources, like larger teams of engineers, would always outperform solo individuals, Greenman emphasizes that one skilled individual can effectively compete against larger teams in specific scenarios. This insight challenges conventional wisdom about teamwork, suggesting that individual expertise can sometimes outweigh collective resources, especially when tasks are singular in nature. This dynamic implies that humans can leverage their unique skills to carve out niches even in an environment increasingly dominated by AI. 4. Human-AI collaboration in software engineering. Wu's insights into software engineering, where human direction is crucial for instructing AI, further highlight the counterintuitive nature of the relationship. One might presume that as AI technologies advance, the role of software engineers would diminish. However, the opposite holds true. The need for human oversight, creativity, and problem-solving remains paramount. The collaboration between human ingenuity and AI efficiency can lead to unprecedented levels of innovation and productivity, suggesting that the future workforce will require a blend of human and AI skills rather than a replacement of one by the other. 5. Innovation versus automation. There's a prevailing belief that automation will render many human jobs obsolete. Yet Wu's points suggest a different reality. The idea that humans will continue to innovate and provide direction in the face of automation is contrary to fears of widespread job loss. Instead of viewing AI as a competitor, it may be more beneficial to view it as a tool that enhances human capabilities. This perspective encourages a focus on developing skills that complement AI rather than competing directly against it. Conclusion. The discussion surrounding jagged intelligence and the interplay of human and AI capabilities reveals several counterintuitive truths. Rather than a straightforward competition where AI outpaces human ability, the relationship is complex and characterized by collaboration. Humans possess unique strengths that are not easily replicated by AI, ensuring that as technology evolves, there will always be a space for human creativity, empathy, and nuanced decision-making. Embracing these dynamics may lead to a future where both humans and AI can coexist and thrive together, ultimately driving progress in numerous fields. Scott Wu's insights into Andrei Karpathy's concept of jagged intelligence shed light on the nuanced relationship between human capabilities and artificial intelligence (AI). While many discussions around AI tend to focus on the technology's superhuman abilities, Wu emphasizes that it is equally critical to recognize the areas where AI falls short. This disparity in capabilities, termed jagged intelligence, is vital for understanding how humans and AI can effectively collaborate. Overlooked significance of jagged intelligence. One of the most significant yet often overlooked aspects of jagged intelligence is the idea that AI's strengths and weaknesses are not uniformly distributed across all tasks. AI excels in data-heavy environments. Capable of processing vast amounts of information and recognizing complex patterns far beyond human capabilities. However, it is in areas requiring emotional intelligence, creativity, and contextual understanding where AI lags significantly. This unevenness is crucial for several reasons. 1. Strategic human advantage. Wu's assertion that as long as that tail exists of what humans can do, that's what we'll own, highlights a strategic advantage for humans. This tail refers to the unique abilities that AI cannot replicate, such as empathy, moral reasoning, and the capacity for innovative thought. Recognizing this allows individuals and organizations to focus on cultivating these human-centric skills, ensuring they maintain relevance in an increasingly automated landscape. 2. Complementary strengths. The collaboration between humans and AI is not just about using technology to enhance productivity but also about leveraging the unique strengths of each. For instance, in software engineering. While AI can optimize coding processes and analyze data, human engineers bring creativity and strategic foresight to the table. This partnership can lead to innovative solutions that neither could achieve independently, thus expanding the horizons of what is possible in various fields. 3. Implications for workforce development. The acknowledgement of jagged intelligence has profound implications for workforce development and education. As the job market evolves, fostering skills that AI cannot easily replicate will be essential. This includes fostering creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence in educational curricula and professional training programs. By preparing individuals to excel in these areas, society can ensure a workforce that complements AI capabilities rather than competes with them. The competitive landscape. Another often overlooked point in the discourse around human-AI collaboration is articulated by Charlie Greenman, who notes that an individual can outperform larger teams in specific contexts. This idea dovetails with Wu's discussion on jagged intelligence, suggesting that the ability to identify and leverage unique singular capabilities can provide a competitive edge. 1. Identifying unique skills. In a world where AI can automate many tasks, individuals must focus on identifying their unique skills that AI cannot replicate. This might include specialized knowledge, creative problem-solving abilities, or interpersonal skills. By honing these skills, individuals can position themselves as indispensable assets in a workforce increasingly influenced by AI. 2. Solo versus team dynamics. Greenman's commentary also opens up a dialogue about the dynamics of competition in the age of AI. While larger teams may have the advantage in sheer manpower, individuals leveraging their unique skills can still excel. This dynamic encourages a re-evaluation of how teams are structured and how tasks are allocated, with a greater emphasis on individual strengths and contributions. Integration and collaboration. The integration of human and AI capabilities is not merely a theoretical discussion but a practical necessity for future advancements. Wu and Greenman both suggest that understanding the unique advantages of human capabilities in contrast to AI is crucial for effective collaboration. 1. Creative and strategic endeavors. The synergy between human creativity and AI efficiency can lead to superior outcomes, particularly in fields that require innovation and strategic thinking. For example, in marketing, while AI can analyze consumer data to predict trends, the creative direction and emotional resonance required for effective campaigns still rely heavily on human insight. 2. Ethical considerations. The discussion around jagged intelligence also touches upon ethical considerations. As AI takes on more responsibilities, Ensuring that human oversight remains in place is essential to navigate moral dilemmas and maintain accountability. The areas where AI lacks nuanced understanding are precisely where human judgment is indispensable. Conclusion. In conclusion, the concept of jagged intelligence offers a framework for understanding the complex interplay between human capabilities and artificial intelligence. It highlights the importance of recognizing both the strengths and weaknesses of AI, encouraging a strategic focus on human-centric skills that cannot be replicated by machines. This discourse is vital as society navigates the evolving landscape of technology and work ensuring that humans remain relevant and empowered in a future increasingly shaped by AI. The insights from Scott Wu and Charlie Greenman collectively underscore a future where collaboration rather than competition between humans and AI can lead to unprecedented advancements and innovations. Recognizing and harnessing the unique strengths of both entities will be critical for success in this new era. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion based on Scott Wu's commentary on Andrei Karpathy's concept of jagged intelligence. 1. Understanding jagged intelligence. Definition and implications. Jagged intelligence refers to the uneven distribution of capabilities across different domains between humans and AI. AI excels in specific tasks like data analysis and pattern recognition but falters in areas demanding emotional intelligence, creativity, or complex decision-making. This dichotomy suggests that while AI can be superhuman in certain contexts, it does not possess the holistic intelligence required for many human-centric tasks. The implications of this concept are profound, as they highlight the need for a collaborative approach where both AI and human strengths are utilized effectively. 2. The importance of human-AI collaboration. Leveraging strengths. Wu's assertion that humans will retain ownership of tasks where their unique capabilities excel emphasizes the importance of collaboration. In environments like software engineering, where creativity and direction are paramount, the human ability to innovate and adapt is irreplaceable. The synergy between human creativity and AI efficiency can lead to superior outcomes, suggesting that the future of work will increasingly depend on harmonious partnerships between humans and machines. This collaboration could redefine roles in various industries, requiring new skill sets that blend human ingenuity with technological proficiency. 3. Competitive advantages in human-AI dynamics. Individual versus collective competence. The commentary by Charlie Greenman introduces an interesting dimension to the discussion of competition. The idea that a single individual can effectively compete against larger teams when leveraging unique skills aligns with the notion of jagged intelligence. In scenarios where specific applications or tasks are concerned, humans can outperform AI in larger teams by focusing on their unique strengths. This highlights the need for individuals to identify and cultivate their competitive advantages, particularly in niche areas where AI may not yet excel. 4. The future of work and human relevance. Evolving roles and responsibilities. The discussions surrounding jagged intelligence and human-AI collaboration point to a future where the roles of humans in the workforce will evolve rather than diminish. As AI continues to advance, understanding the dynamics of collaboration will be crucial for maintaining human relevance. The ability to innovate, communicate effectively, and understand complex human emotions will remain essential even as AI takes over more routine tasks. This evolution may necessitate a shift in education and training to prepare individuals for a landscape where human and AI capabilities are integrated seamlessly. In summary, the exploration of jagged intelligence and its implications for human-AI collaboration presents a multifaceted view of the future workforce. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both entities, individuals and organizations can harness their capabilities to achieve outcomes that neither could accomplish alone. Here are 3 famous historical cases that illustrate the interplay between human capabilities and technological advancements, similar to the concept of jagged intelligence discussed by Scott Wu and Andrei Karpathy. 1. The development of the steam engine. The steam engine, developed by figures like James Watt in the late 18th century, is a prime example of how human ingenuity can leverage technology to enhance productivity. Before the steam engine, tasks such as mining, transportation, and manufacturing were labor-intensive and limited by human physical capabilities. The introduction of steam-powered machinery revolutionized these industries, allowing for greater efficiency and output. However, while the steam engine could perform tasks at a speed and scale beyond human ability, it lacked the ability to adapt to unforeseen problems or innovate new solutions without human input. Engineers and workers were essential in maintaining and optimizing these machines, showcasing that while the steam engine was a powerful tool, it required human oversight and creativity to be effective. This historical case reflects the jagged intelligence concept, where the steam engine excelled in specific domains, e.g., energy production, but depended on human intelligence for innovation and troubleshooting. 2. The invention of the computer. The invention of the computer, particularly the development of early computers in the mid-20th century, exemplifies the collaboration between human intelligence and machine capabilities. Pioneers like Alan Turing and John von Neumann laid the groundwork for computing, creating machines that could perform complex calculations far faster than any human. However, computers at the time lacked the ability to perform tasks requiring emotional understanding, creativity, or contextual awareness. The Turing test proposed by Turing illustrates the gap between human cognitive abilities and early computer functionality. Computers could execute logical tasks but struggled with tasks requiring human-like reasoning or empathy. As computers evolved, they became better at processing information and automating repetitive tasks, while humans continued to excel in areas that required critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity. The synergy between advanced computing capabilities and human intuition has been critical in fields such as software development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence research, echoing the idea of jagged intelligence. 3. The rise of automation in manufacturing. The rise of automation in manufacturing, particularly during the Industrial Revolution and continuing into the 21st century, presents another clear illustration of the relationship between human skills and technological advancements. Automated assembly lines introduced by figures like Henry Ford significantly improved production efficiency and reduced costs. While machines can now perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, they struggle with tasks that require adaptability, problem-solving, and human oversight. For instance, when a machine encounters a defect or a new type of product, human workers are essential for troubleshooting and implementing changes in the production process. This dynamic illustrates the jagged intelligence concept, where machines can dominate in specific operational tasks but require humans for strategic decision-making and creative problem-solving. The collaboration between human workers and automated systems has led to improved productivity and innovation in manufacturing, highlighting the strengths of both entities. Conclusion. These historical cases underscore the complementary relationship between human abilities and technological advancements, mirroring the ideas presented in the discussion on jagged intelligence. Just as AI excels in certain areas while lagging in others, these examples show how technology can enhance human productivity but cannot replace the unique qualities that humans bring to various tasks. Understanding this relationship is essential as we continue to navigate the evolving landscape of technology and work. The future of human-AI collaboration is illustrated by Scott Wu's interpretation of Andrei Karpathy's concept of jagged intelligence. Paints a promising picture of how both entities can thrive together. As we progress into the future, particularly looking towards the late 2020s and beyond, several key predictions can be made regarding this synergy and its implications across various sectors. 1. Enhanced collaboration models. Prediction: the nature of work will increasingly shift towards collaborative models where humans and AI systems operate as co-creators rather than mere tools and operators. In fields like software engineering, creative industries, and research, we can expect to see more sophisticated frameworks that facilitate seamless interaction between human intuition and AI's analytical power. For instance, AI will assist in tasks such as code generation while humans will oversee the creative direction, ensuring that the output aligns with user needs and ethical standards. 2. Expansion of AI capabilities. Prediction. While AI currently excels in specific domains, its capabilities will continue to expand. Future iterations of AI will likely bridge some of the gaps identified in Jagged Intelligence, enhancing their performance in emotional intelligence and creative tasks. This could be achieved through advanced training methodologies, including reinforcement learning that incorporates human feedback more effectively. However, human oversight will remain critical, especially in areas requiring ethical considerations and emotional nuance. 3. Emergence of hybrid skill sets. Prediction. The workforce will see a growing demand for hybrid skill sets that merge human creativity and emotional intelligence with AI proficiency. Educational institutions and training programs will adapt to this need, preparing individuals not just with technical skills but also with the ability to collaborate with AI effectively. This transformation may lead to new career paths that emphasize the integration of AI tools in creative and strategic decision-making processes. 4. Competitive dynamics. Prediction. As Charlie Greenman pointed out, individuals will find unique ways to compete against larger teams by leveraging specific skills or singular applications. This trend will likely continue, leading to a diversification of the workforce where niche experts can thrive. The competitive landscape will evolve, with smaller teams or solo practitioners using specialized knowledge and AI tools to outmaneuver larger, more generalized teams. This shift may democratize opportunities, allowing individuals to carve out significant roles in their respective fields. 5. Ethical considerations and regulation. Prediction. As AI becomes more integral to decision-making processes, ethical considerations will gain prominence. Regulatory frameworks will be established to ensure responsible AI development and deployment, focusing on transparency, accountability, and fairness. This will involve collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers to create standards that protect users and ensure that AI complements human capabilities rather than undermining them. 6. AI in everyday life. Prediction. AI's integration into daily life will deepen, moving from specialized applications to more ubiquitous roles in personal and professional environments. Smart assistants will evolve to provide not just task management but also emotional support and creative brainstorming, thereby becoming essential partners in everyday decision-making. This will reshape the way individuals approach challenges, emphasizing a collaborative mindset that values both human and AI inputs. 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. Prediction. The landscape of skills and knowledge will require continuous learning as technology evolves. Lifelong learning will become a standard expectation, with individuals seeking ongoing education to stay relevant in an AI-augmented world. Organizations will invest in training programs that focus on adaptability and the understanding of AI systems, fostering a culture of innovation and responsiveness to change. Conclusion. The future outlook for human-AI collaboration, as informed by the concept of jagged intelligence, suggests a landscape where both human creativity and AI efficiency coexist and enhance one another. While AI may excel in precision and data handling, the uniquely human traits of empathy, creativity, and ethical judgment will remain invaluable. As we look towards the late 2020s and beyond, the key to thriving in this new era will lie in recognizing and harnessing these strengths, ensuring that both humans and AI can contribute to a future that leverages the best of both worlds.